Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to add funds on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add funds on Steam account, guys, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I have already logged into my account over here. And when you land on this panel, in order to proceed to add funds to your Steam account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's your username available for us with the drop down arrow. Click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear, whereas click on the account details available for us, which is the second one just below the view my profile. Click on account details and you land on this interface where you can see there is the add funds to your Steam wallet over here. And in order to proceed to add funds to your Steam wallet, will be required to click on this button where I'm hovering right now. Click on that, and over here again you can see you can add a minimum of $5, $10, $25, $50 and $100. so choose which amount you want to add fund to your Steam wallet. So I'll be just going with the $5 or minimum one. Click on add funds over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you will either require to choose your PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, you can see guys, Discover and JCB. So click on your card type over here and enter your card number over here. Enter these details over here where it says expiration date and security code. Go with the billing information over here, your city, billing address of your Visa card, and after that click on the continue button, and on the next step continue this process until the end. And with that being done guys, the funds will be added on your Steam account from your cards over here. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to add funds to Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.